What is up, guys? Body by Jake here. I know I'm always preaching about diet, exercise, consistency, and discipline. But let me tell you why that's so important. If you can utilize exercise and diet, discipline, and consistency and master those four things, then you can utilize that for other things in different areas of your life, like your relationships, your friendships. Doing this will help build a fuller, healthier, happier life. So now, the people that didn't believe in you are now telling everybody how they once knew you and how they met you. So, wake up, get some exercise, get a good breakfast, get in the gym and work your off. Take a shower, get dressed, and head to work. Use all these skills that you've built, the mental toughness, the stability, the dedication, and put that into everything you've got. It's Thursday, everybody. Get some. And remember, a win is a win.